Hey guys, it's Lenny from Jungle Scout. Today we have Amazon Product Marketing 101, covering marketing on and off Amazon and everything in between. So stay tuned. For the Genius series, we surveyed 1,200 sellers, and marketing was the biggest thing you guys wanted to learn about. So today I'm going to cover the best practices and the 4 phases of marketing on Amazon. By the end of this video, you're going to have an actionable list of ways to market your Amazon product both on and off of Amazon. You'll have the confidence to launch and a toolkit to help you approach the marketing from different directions. So let's dive into the best practices. But real quick, just before I do, make sure to click the subscribe button just below this video to make sure you never miss any other Genius Series videos or any other videos we release every single Wednesday. Also make sure to hit the bell icon after you subscribe so you get those notifications too. Alright, here are the 7 best practices of marketing. Number 1, deliver tons of value. We're living in the internet age where everything we do is under constant scrutiny. It's more important now than ever before to deliver the highest value to your customers, as they're just one click away from your competitors. Number 2, stand out from the herd. This analogy may sound familiar, but imagine driving down a road and spotting a brown cow. It might turn your head the first time, but after driving a while and seeing dozens of brown cows, you'll probably lose interest. That's why you want to be the purple cow. That one will stand out amongst all the other brown cows. So think about your marketing the same way. How can you stand out from all of your competition? Number 3, first mover advantage. Probably one of the best examples of this is a young entrepreneur, a wine shop owner who saw the power of a little search engine and the sponsored ads they just started testing. And so he invested into these ads, and being one of the few people doing so at the time, he was able to buy clicks for the keyword wine, for pennies basically. That little search engine that was just getting started was Google. And that wine store owner was of course Gary Vaynerchuk, multi-million-dollar investor and social media guru. Gary's been known for seeing the promise in platforms earlier than anyone else. Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, these are all companies he's invested in way before anyone else. And he preaches the first mover advantage today. So make sure to keep up to date with today's technologies and rising platforms. And if you see promise in one, don't wait, but be an early adopter and reap the benefits. Number 4, double down on what works, cut the rest. We're all unique as human beings and have different strengths and weaknesses. It's important to recognize these, and rather than spending the majority of our time trying to bolster our weaknesses, go all in on your strengths. In marketing, that might be that you've always sucked at Facebook ads, but you've had a lot of success on Instagram. So go do that. Number 5, invade a niche, then expand outwards. The idea here is to go really deep inside a niche, dominate that, and then expand outwards. With so much content out there, you really need to specialize in order to stand out. With an Amazon product, again, you want to make it unique and stand out, but perhaps your brand as a whole serves a very specific sub-niche within a larger one. For instance, rather than just being in the general pet care market, perhaps your brand targets owners of French bulldogs, and then all your content and products serve that specific market. Number 6, test lean. Eric Ries's book, The Lean Startup, is a great one to read for those just starting out on Amazon. It speaks to the MVP idea, or minimum viable product. This is how it works. First, create an idea. Then build the prototype of that idea. Put it out into the market and gather feedback. Measure that data, and then from that, make improvements. And then test the idea again. So rather than thinking you know the perfect product and what the customer wants and spending a long time up front working on that, Get the product onto the market quickly using few resources, and then let the customer tell you what they want, what they like, and what they dislike. This invaluable data allows you to pivot and create the best product possible for the customer. On Amazon, this could be sending in a small order of products to see if it sells first before going all in on a larger order. But it's not limited to Amazon. You could apply this to Facebook ads, for instance. Let's say you want to test Facebook ads for your bamboo sticks product. You get an idea for an ad with kids laughing around a campfire and a headline that reads, "Remember a world before social media?" You launch it targeting a specific segment, spending only $100 in ads over the next 7 days. After those 7 days, you look at the data, the click-through rates, conversion rates, etc., and then you make adjustments based on that and relaunch your campaign. Number 7, you aren't a big company yet. Russell Brunson is a marketing genius. He took his company, ClickFunnels, and turned it into a $30 million software machine in just 2 years. Not too shabby if you ask me. But he didn't do it trying to copy the big guys. Instead, Russell looked at what the people at his level were doing. Then through good storytelling and marketing funnels, he accelerated his company's growth. The advice he gives is simple. Emulate what people at your level, or even a level or two above, are doing. But don't try to be Coke or Nike. Those companies are far past the growth phase and deep into brand building. Their web pages and marketing aren't optimized for conversions, but simply there to remind people that they exist. Now, let's shift gears into the 4 phases of marketing on Amazon. Phase 1, branding and researching. First, Kickstarter campaigns. This is a great way to raise capital for your product without forking it out yourself, and also allows you to test the demand for the products too. These are some best practices. Study successful Kickstarter campaigns. Have a finished product ready. Set realistic goals. Create an amazing video. Write great copy and communicate frequently. Next, market your products on social media. Here's some ideas on how to do this. Build a community with Facebook. Create art with Instagram. Start a conversation on Twitter. Break it down on Pinterest. Show off on YouTube. Get attention with a blog. And finally, how to get influencers to promote your products. Create a plus minus equals list. Reach out to influencers of all media types. Send out samples. Pay it forward. Next is the post-launch phase. Now that your product is live on Amazon, you're going to want some sales, right? This is one of the easiest phases for marketing on Amazon. Many of the techniques found in this phase are old school methods that have been around for years and are still successful for good reason. The techniques are: offer great customer service, manage your inventory well, track your sales and metrics, test marketing methods, split test titles, images, prices and description, focus on your brand, think ahead with product research. Next, how to improve Amazon product ranking. Create relevant original products. Brand well. Launch your product with early buzz. Use JumpSend to give away promotions. Use Amazon PPC ads to get more sales and attract more eyeballs. Next, how to run Amazon PPC ads. Use Amazon's automatically targeted ads. Ignore your ads for at least a week at a time. Create keyword reports. Get rid of low converting keywords. Build manually targeted ad campaigns. And do lots of keyword research outside of Amazon. The 4th and final phase is the post-sale phase. Just because you've made a sale doesn't mean it's time to stop marketing to your customers. There's tons of opportunities to increase the lifetime value of your customer. And many of those opportunities start as far back as the beginning when you're still doing product research. And remember, the difference between a 6-figure Amazon business and a 7 or 8 or 9-figure Amazon business is knowing how to expand, not just your marketing on Amazon, but also off of Amazon too. First, how to get Amazon product reviews. Put review requests in your packaging. Follow up your sales with check-in emails using JumpSend. And offer excellent customer service on any issues that arise. Next, how to start an email list off of Amazon. Offer something in your packaging that's off Amazon. Don't send people to your own Shopify website or something. Make sure you're driving them back to Amazon. Learn and utilize marketing funnels. Deliver tons of value in your email campaigns. And then, how to pick new products your customers will buy. Read your reviews to find out what's missing. Pick vertically and horizontally integrated products. Offer products away through Amazon with marketing funnels. Employ continuity programs to rapidly increase profits. So that covers the 4 phases of marketing on Amazon. I hope this gives you some ideas on how to market your product in each of these phases, both on and off of Amazon. If you have any additional strategies we've missed, please share them in the comments below. Stay tuned for the next installment of the Genius series, where we'll go even deeper into marketing. Thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.